Welcome, here I've got iPad Pro 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap to the settings button to open it. Now let's focus on the left side list. Let's slide down to the camera. And here we get access to advanced camera settings. In the composition category, at the first place we have the grid option. So by using button from the right we can turn on the camera grid lines or turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's get out from the settings and go to the camera app. And now in the preview we can see these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to this button above the shutter that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need them, we have to get out from the camera, go back to the settings and use this button to turn them off. So for now, the grid lines in the camera preview have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.